What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. All right, tonight we're going to a car meet, a night car meet. I'm not sure if it's big or a little car meet, but I'm just getting out for the weekend. I've been in the house all day. Before Christmas holidays pop off, this is probably gonna be the last time we see each other for the entire year, actually. So it's a nighttime little gig, so you probably won't see too many too many cars out tonight. Plus it's close to Christmas, so I'm not sure what the expectation is going to be as far as a lot of cars being out there, but just out for the ride tonight and get to see what's out there, y'all. All right, stay tuned. Peace. That's your camera?
That's my camera right there, bro.
Hey man, whatever works, right?
You put this around your neck. My big ass neck, it barely fits. You breathe on that phone.
Holy shit, hold up, bro.
Look.
That's how you gotta record,
how you get
man?
the angle.
So that you got slow motion? So I can smell your hot ass breath?
No, but you can hear it. That's why I don't use it. Because every time I use it, all you hear in the audio is I'm too fat, I'm too big. Every time I start walking around, I start breathing heavy.
So it turns out that this event was bigger than I thought it would be. There was so many people out there. Some beautiful cars out there, as always. And I met some pretty cool people. But, I mean, once the gathering started, the police came out there and kind of monitored individuals, and when they were pulling off, a lot of folks got pulled over, including me. I had a license plate cover over my license plate, which is illegal, and that's absolutely 100% accurate. So when I got home, I immediately took that off. So I had a good time. I had a great time, actually. More meets to see, and stay locked in. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. All right, peace.